Just make sure your marks are muted in the Edgeful Discord. I should have muted you in the background as well. So, but yeah, if you are coming on, just note that. Cool. We're going to get into it here this morning. I'm also live on my social media accounts. So I had some nice longs on the NASDAQ yesterday. I must say this week's price action has been super choppy and slow. Probably also because we are waiting for NVIDIA earnings to come out tomorrow. Or this evening, apologies. So evening my time. But that is probably something that could be the markets could be waiting for to set up. So we're going to go over a couple of reports over here in Edgeful that I like to use, and then we'll get into this the trading session. So yesterday, some very nice plays. I actually don't have my algos turned on for NASDAQ trading on a Tuesday, but I did have some nice shorts this morning on my algo on the DAX. So that was pretty neat. And then I also had a winner on it yesterday as well. So that, I'm two from, and I think I was on Monday as well. I also had, if I'm not can remember correctly, I also had a winner on Monday. So I'm 3 from 3 on my DAX algo this week. And then the NASDAQ algo, I just had the one trade, which is a winner on Monday. I don't have the settings turned on for Tuesday. I just haven't found a nice one for Tuesday's trading, but that was pretty neat. As you can see, no trade on it yesterday. No trade on it yesterday, but on Monday, we did have a nice long on it there on a winner. So I'm 4 from 4 my algos this week, and without even having to press a button. So that is always pretty neat, and I'll take that every single day of the week. Obviously me being a dad is a lot more, you have a lot less free time. So yeah, but let's go to discretional trading. Markets moving higher into the close yesterday. We are currently trading as an outside trading day. We're trading above previous day's highs as well. YM moving higher too. So markets do look like we want to rally and continue on this bullish continuation that we have been showing in the last couple of months, even since the Trump tariffs off those April lows. If we go down to a daily time frame, since then, let's go to the NASDAQ. Since then, we just have been ripping higher, and there's been really nothing. Maybe last week we did have a couple of red days, but other than that, it's been pretty smooth sailing to the high side. We're up 42% from those tariff lows on the NASDAQ, and it doesn't look like anything's going to slow down right now at the minute. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what NVIDIA earnings do bring later on today. As I said, at the close, we've got NVIDIA earnings. So that obviously will shake up markets for sure. Let's go over a couple of things. So screener wise, I want you guys from a discretional trading perspective to come check out the screener. We had a call with the guys yesterday. The Watson play is being worked on, but from the screener perspective, come over here, and then on the left-hand side, I use all, and this will show the Mag 7 as well as the futures markets, as well as the options markets too. And you can see I've got you can change your reports, but I've personally got the opening candle continuation, the orb report, the previous day's range, and the RB report as well. But yesterday, everything on this was bullish, or was Monday as well. Everything was bullish, even with the slow grinding price action, except it was like meta. But yeah, this is where I'm coming to check kind of my overall bias, and a lot of the guys that are posting their overall bias in here at the top, it is coming from the screener. And this is just easy. You can get it where you can see what your reports are actually doing from, and it's easy perspective to see what the hell is actually going on in terms of them too. Now, in terms of reports, that opening candle continuation, I'm using the first hour, okay? But the main report, and you guys will see, is that I'm using the opening range breakout with the VWAP. That's how I'm trading. Yesterday, we had some clean opportunities above the highs. I took these live on stream, okay? And I am live on stream every single day on ASFX TV. The link is in my bio over here. You guys can come check it out over there. Link in the bio for my live trading room. But as I said, like I'm using VWAP at the opening range. We kind of flushed these lows here yesterday on the NASDAQ, but I wasn't too interested in that. And I'm glad that I don't have my algos turned on for them, because that would have obviously taken a loss if you guys are taking the or break there. I just haven't found a nice one for Tuesday personally. But look how we maintain overnight structure. That's why I do like using extended trading market hours. electronic trading hours, extended market hours. We take out the highs, and I was in this for quite some time. Stop loss at the opening range low, and we continue higher into the rest of the day. So that was a pretty nice trade. We don't actually come back down after taking the opening range low over here. We don't come back down and take the lows again. So it was a pretty simple trade in terms of, just had to be super patient on it. I did oversize on one of my accounts. Luckily, it was not copy traded, so I ended up messing that one up. But getting some close to some nice payouts again on a few others. And then obviously, I'm always trading my own personal cash account as well. In terms of the DAX, as mentioned, I'm not really manually trading this anymore. I'm letting the algos do their thing. I had that winner this morning. Pretty simple, neat. Opening range low, 5 minute. I'm using the 5 minute on for the DAX. If you guys want to check out the settings and everything like that, I have put them actually in the algos chat there too. So make sure to go check that out. But yeah, just going back to the American markets, we are moving higher overnight. It just is going to be interesting to see what NVIDIA do on earnings, and then we'll have to take it from there. But yeah, I would not look to fade this momentum at the moment unless we flush pre-market levels and look to take out back towards the opening range high from yesterday. But for now, the longs are in. We just got to take it one day at a time. If you guys have been struggling this week, a lot of traders do struggle at all-time highs. We can obviously see the last couple. I mean, even on ES, we are seeing right at these all-time highs as well. Be quick in taking profits. I think sometimes you can't expect, and that's probably also why we are just grinding higher, is that, we move very, very slow until, later on, last hour of market close yesterday. And sometimes you just got to be more aggressive in taking profits, see profit, take profit market in an all-time high situation like this with NVIDIA earnings coming out tonight. So yeah, trust the reports, trust your system, what you are looking at. And we'll see you guys live on stream. As I said, I'm always live on stream on ASFX TV. The link is in my bio if you are watching this on the Discord, or if you are watching this on live stream there. We'll see you guys the rest of the trading day. Take it easy, and we'll see you in the